According to the map, the place should be somewhere around here. Okay, time to start pitching the tent. Great, and now it's time for a snack. Oh yeah, yummy. Huh, what is happening? Hey, what the heck? No way!
Here I am. You're free to go. You leave this place too.
Me? No way! I am not going anywhere.
Man, what if I pay you?
I don't think so.
Then don't you dare cross onto my half.
Okay, whatever. Oh, Looks like it's time to start building my house. Let's stick this here, and start putting up the walls. There we go. Perfect. A roof like this can handle any bad weather. Cool. And now let's see what's happening on the other side.
Now I'll show him how it's done. All right, let's pick out a house. Let's see what else they have. No, not that one. Oh yeah, exactly what I need. Whoa, that was fast delivery. Why is there a pile of boards here instead of a house? Looks like they messed up the order.
Want some help?
From you? No thanks.
Then you'd better use this.
Hey, what is this? Now that's what I call professional service. I hope this builder has free time.
Oh, looks like it's time for a builder makeover. Oh yeah, now I can start taking orders. Hello? Sure, I'm on my way. Good day, ma'am.
Oh, finally. I need you to assemble a house.
Well, let's take a look at the instructions. I got it. Let's get to work. There we go. Carefully.
How is the work going?
All good, see? Ouch! My poor finger!
Oh no, are you okay? Thank goodness the house is fine.
My finger hurts!
Ugh, stop crying already.
Is this for me?
Here, take it.
Thanks!
Well, it was worth it. This house looks amazing.
Phew! Making money these days is no joke! Oh yeah, great job! Whoa! Now I can work on my own house too! First, let's decorate the roof a bit. Like this. Oh, hey! Do you like the patterns I drew?
What? Whoa, when did you have time to do that? And my roof looks terribly boring. I'll fix that right now. I think this one will do. Oh, it's already here.
What's that? Seriously?
Now this roof completely matches my style. It's just as shiny and luxurious. And now, let's work on the walls. Cool, but no. Oh, not that either. I'd rather make the walls of the house fluffy. Yay! How pretty! This is the cutest and most gorgeous house ever! Just looking at it makes you feel so cozy.
Aw, she's so pretty!
What is that in your eyes?
Nothing.
Hey, careful! Wow, how did you do that? It actually looks pretty good.
Cool! I'll do the same thing to my house! Man, it's not working. Well, I'll have to do it the old-fashioned way. First, let's hang up a rope. What should I decorate it with? Oh, I have an idea! Let's hang up some colorful lights, like this. Perfect festive vibe. Phew! And now let's move on to cutting out the door. This is harder than it looks.
You are so fluffy.
Right. The mustache will give me building strength. There. Much better.
Huh. What's that? His front door cannot look better than mine. I know who can solve my problem.
Oh, looks like it's time to change clothes again. Hello, I'm already on my way.
Thank you. Oh, you came so fast.
How can I help you, ma'am?
See my house? I want to add some windows.
Oh, okay.
Out of this.
As you wish. Let's get to work. Let's just roll out these bars like this. Now let's place one window here and the other here.
Wow, how lovely.
I have enough strength for any job.
What's that? Oh no, I'm afraid of the dark.
Don't worry, we just need to set up some lighting. This lantern will work perfectly. Let's add another one. And done. Now it's super bright in here.
What would I do without you? You've earned a good payment.
No, I'll only take what I'm owed. Thanks.
Yeah, whatever you say.
Well, I have to run.
See ya.
Great, now I can change back into my clothes. And now let's work on my own windows. There we go. We can move on to coloring. Now let's add another window. And done. Cool. It looks like the lights are always on inside. But something is missing. I think I got it. Let's just add a few brick patterns. And done. Oh, and what's this? I think I know what to do with you. Let's start setting up the fence. Great. And now let's add some natural beauty. First, a little grass, and then we'll decorate it with flowers. Should I add more, or is that enough? I think it's okay.
I guess it's time to call the builder again.
What now? Hey there!
Go away! I'm waiting for someone.
Oh, right. Did you call, ma'am?
Oh, hey! Yes, I need to set up a fence.
Okay, let's take some measurements first. Ma'am, please let me work. And now let's start installing it on one side. And on the other side, just like that. Well, what do you think?
Wow, awesome! Work like this deserves a check.
Glad to help, ma'am. Phew, working double jobs is exhausting. Hey, looks great.
My taste never fails me. Oh, he planted flowers. I think I could use some too. I'll order these. Wow, how beautiful! They're so heavy! But that's okay. Luckily, I have someone to call.
Huh? Not this time.
Oh man! Hey, could you give me a hand?
Me? Sure. What's up?
I need to rearrange these pots.
No problem. Come on.
Looks like they are too heavy. I know what to do. This should help you.
Thanks. And now let's place these pots. Done. I think it looks pretty good.
You bet. They are beautiful. Thanks.
See you around.
Bye.
Whoa!
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. Hey, check this out. Now let's take these cups and decorate the sides of the path, like this. Now that's what I call a cool walkway.
Wow, but I think I'll use more expensive materials. And inside the house, I'll make a carpet out of money. Just like that, let's add another bill here.
Almost done. Oh, hey.
Let's take a selfie. I want to remember this moment. I worked so hard on this house, but it was worth it.
I worked hard too, and I'm really proud of my work.
Say cheese! Huh? What's that? Oh no! I have absolutely no money left!
Wow, let's see what's in here. No way! Hey, guess who just became a millionaire?
Really? Yay!
Time to go shopping. Ready?
Looks like you are incredibly lucky. Whoa!